Hey guys, back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. New flutter sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. They have this squared neckline flutter sleeve, that seam detail under the bust, fit and flare, and then the tie detail in the back with the smocking. Comes in this multicolor print, also in the blue and white stripe, and they're $32. Blue floral dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little twist detail seaming, fit and flares in the poplin material. Has the zipper and the smocking in the back, and they're $38. Smock tank from Scoop. This one has the thin straps. This eyelet trim has the gold foiling, smocking through the waist, and then the same fit through the back. And these are going to be $21. Cargo pants from Scoop. These have the gold hardware zipper, pork chop pocket, flat pocket through the leg, trouser pockets in the back, only in the green, and they're going to be $29.98. Color in the cardigan from Time and True. So this one has that higher neckline, the bigger buttons, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, that same fit through the back, and they are $17.98. We also saw it in this beige and black print. And also new from Time and True are these open knit sleeved sweaters. These have that scallop trim, same fit through the back in the beige, also comes in the navy and black, and they're $17.98. New skirt from Time and True. This has that elastic waistband, the drop tier, same fit through the back, only seeing it in the blue floral, and they're $19.98. So polka dot skirt from No Boundaries. This is the elastic waistband, double tier with the built-in shorts. They are $12.98. Also new from No Boundaries are these little skirts. So they have the smocking, double tier to flannel material with the built-in shorts. Comes in the burgundy plaid, also in that blue, and they're $12.98. I have a new color in the chiffon skirt. So we saw it in the pink. Now they have it in this blue polka dot. They also have the built-in shorts, and they're $12.98. Cardigans from No Boundaries. These have that lace trim, smaller buttons fitted through the wrist, and then it kind of flares out. Same through the back in the green. Also comes in ivory, and they're $16.98. So new high neck dress from Time and True. This has that button detail, the little tie, seam, flowy drop tier. Seam fit through the back, and they're $24.98. Also has pockets. Drop tier polka dot dresses from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, the gathering, squared in the back. I think I showed this maybe in, can't remember, but I think it might have been the No Boundaries video. And then I also saw they have another print for this online. These are $14.98. Dresses from Millie Bobby Brown. This has the thicker strap, square neckline, that seam detail, shorter fit, and then the smocking in the back, $22.98. Also from Millie Bobby Brown is this little dress. It has the thin straps, a V neckline, smocking in the back, fit and flare. This one, that's what it looks like on, so pretty short. Those are $22.50. They also have this new skirt from Millie Bobby Brown. Has the built-in shorts, Pawnee stretch material, and these are $12.98. Graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have the V neckline, that's seaming. They have Brooklyn 97. That's a crew neck. It says New York, and then also with that football kind of seaming, game day. Wait, who? They also have London, and they're $9.98. Top from No Boundaries. This has the tie straps, V neckline, this crochet detailing, V in the back, in the white, also comes in black, and they are $14.98. I have some new boxer prints from No Boundaries. These are fold over. They have the little buttons, pockets, and it's like a linen material. So they look like up close. In the pink stripe, they also have the yellow, and then the blue plaid. There's a red plaid, a gray bigger plaid, and then a stripe, and they're $8.48. Sets from Millie Bobby Brown. So this jacket's a sweater material, has the hood with the little stripe trim. Look how cute that looks on. Hood in the back. Also comes in the black. the gray trim, and then to match they have these fold over pants. These are a pony material in the blue, also in the black, and they are fold over $22.50. Jackets are $28.50. I have new jeans from Millie Bobby Brown. They are, it says a low rise wide leg in the dark indigo wash. These look pretty oversized. And they're $26.50. The new track pants from Millie Bobby Brown. So these have that elastic waistband, the little side button detail. These are really soft in the blue, also in the burgundy, and they're $22.50. These cute graphic tees from Millie Bobby Brown. The little horseshoe. And the tees are $15.50. I have a little track short from Millie Bobby Brown. These have an elastic waistband, soft fleece with a little stripe in the burgundy, also in the blue. Those are $15.50. Denim skirts from Millie Bobby Brown. Button, zip, seaming, pockets, little slit. No built-in shorts. Pockets in the back. And the denim skirt is, I think it's $19.50. Saw the skirts last time, and we also saw the sweatshirts, but now they have the sweatpants to match. So these have an elastic waistband, soft fleece, the little stars with the jogger bottom. The sweatshirt that matches back to this says Field Day, and then the white with the burgundy and gold that says Halftime, and the sweatpants are $19.50, and the sweatshirts are also $19.50. Pajama set from Joy Spun. So this has the thin straps, the lace trim, lace bottom, squirt in the back. Shorts are pull-on with that same lace trim. In the pink, there's green, this blue, and they're $24.98, I think, for the two. It says and below. And then they also have the pants and shorts to match. Elastic waistband, wide flowy legs, so if you didn't want the tops, they have the pants, or if you didn't want the shorts, they will have some shorts. These are green, and the pants they have this brown plaid. I also found this at Devil Wears Prada. It looks like it's inside out. It's a skirt with the lace. Pull on from Scoop. Oh, No Boundaries tees. These have the crew neckline. They're an acid wash material. It looks like they're relaxed fit. It says wash relax tee. In the light blue, there's white, gray, pink, $6.90 and below. This is the new style tee. So it has the crew neckline. Oh, it says scenario tees. These are $7.98. There's fuchsia, black, white, and gray. Tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline, soft and stretchy. In this burgundy stripe, there's a blue, the gray polka dot, and they're $8.98. No tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline fitted. In the blue, there's pink, white, the navy and white stripe, and navy. They're $10. On this side, they have the boxy tees. In the white, they have this new pineapple print. We didn't see that one. The stripe and the black, and they're also $10. They have, and they're like, they were $13. I don't see a price now. I know they keep going up. I think they're $15 now, but look, the little wiener dog tee with the wide leg pant. They also have a new leopard, the gray stars. I think we saw that blue goodnight. It says $16.98 and under. I'm pretty sure they used to be $13, $12.98, and then they went up to $15. Here are these new rompers from Joy Spun. They have the thick strap, scoop neckline, Henley buttons, the two from pockets, racer back in the black. There's the pink and this orange color, and they're $16.98. See these? I don't think we did. The strawberry pajamas. They also have a nightgown. I know we saw some of the other prints, but I think I would have remembered the strawberries. The sets are $19.98. The nightgowns are $19.98. This one now. I think last time I was here, somebody was like standing in front of those, so I couldn't show them. They're $19.98. The wide leg jeans from Free Assembly. They have the front pocket flowy through the leg. I know we had them in the shorter length. They also come in white. They're $28. So no graphic tees. Look how cute. What does it say? Tummy ache survivor. Rolling Stones, Care Bears. Look at the Betty Boop with the motorcycle. And they are between $4 and $8.98. Little bows now. So now felt hats. These are from Time and True. So they have this taupe one with the gold hardware and ivory with the rope detail, black with the rope, and they're $17.98. Umbrellas on sale here for $6. I love this umbrella. I've had it for a while. I should buy another one. This also has these cute little head wraps. They have a polka dot black and pink, the pink, leopard, and purple. So new Madden NYC accessories, but they have no pieces. So they have these new belts, the seam detailing, their studs in the black. They also have brown, these studded belts, and then also a glitter belt. And then it looks like they have one hat. It looks like they're getting more stuff. The gold trim. I like this one because you could fold it up. It's like bendable. I have new jewelry. There's the little paper clip earrings, puffy heart earrings, big hoops. There's puffy hearts in the gold, big hearts. The top row is between 7 and 9. These are 6. These dangles are 8. The little hearts. Fiorella little camera bag. So it's a wallet with the little flap area for your phone. Did I say camera? There's nude and black. I think they're $20. But you can also take the strap off if you want to just use it as a wallet. I have Jessica Simpson wallets that go with the bags that I've shared before. So they have that little buckle in the camo. They also have this, I think we saw those before. They're all 18. Champion backpacks. They're $29.90 at 7. They're really cool. Look at the little charm. This one comes with the pencil pouch. Blue. There's that one. Strawberry shortcake makeup set. Get cute stuff when there's back to school. Look at this. It's a Justice calculator. It's really small. $15. Also, this one's $15. Look at the cute little gummy bear highlighters. A little hamburger bag charm. SpongeBob little bag charm. And then there's Patrick. That's cute for Universal. Little hat. Oh, look, the little Watson. These are nice too, the Wrangler backpacks. They have this denim one. The little Sherpa. These are all $29. And from Levi's, they have a burgundy paisley, a brown, this camo, and a floral. And they also have a denim. Here, I guess, is a new brand because they have their jewelry. Are they changing something? So they have 2 pairs for $9.92, 3 pairs for $9.92. This might be just for the store. Are they changing the Time and True name? We'll see. There's a little brown bead. There's a little heart necklace. Scenario. I was looking for this. I was doing a photo and I wanted an ice cream bag. But I didn't know they had it at this one. This is not too far from my house. Oh my goodness, they have the drink one too. These are really cute for pictures. If you're doing like a fun outfit. And I think they're on sale. I'm going to scan it. What they have, a home ear piercing kit that I have 2 daughters that need their ears pierced, but I don't trust myself. Ice cream says price unavailable, but the drink says $15. I think that's how much it normally was. By Brilliance has new packaging too. Look how pretty the little heart set, $15.94. Men's free assembly here. They have little polos. That's a small, so it's still going to be oversized. The medium isn't too much bigger than the small. Those are $18. And then on this side, they have the striped tees. Look how nice the quality is. Those are $18. Bronco hoodie, Mandalorian, and then Stitch, Spider-Man. Oh, my daughter wants me to go see that this weekend. Those are $19.98. How cute these sets are. The Lakers, Chicago Bulls, and then the shorts. These shorts look big. These are medium. And the sweatshirts are $26.98. Shorts are $19.98. They have camo jackets. Small collar. It's a twill material. Button on the wrist, $21.98. They also have a denim. It's like a jacket style. And then they also have the pants to match. The same material. These are $22.98 from No Boundaries, but these are men's. So sometimes you can get your normal size, but sometimes if you're bigger on the hips, they're a little small on the hips. 29 looks like the smallest, but usually they have 28. That's what I am. And they have a new zip-up style hoodie from No Boundaries and the camo. Lots of this camo. They're $22.98. And it looks like they got the tees and the shorts to match. Those are $9.98. There's the new classic camo white taupe, vintage wash, solid black and white. Those are $9.98. We got boots here. I've been needing boots for my outfits. Madden NYC Western boots, pointed toe, chunky heel. They are $45. They have a moto boot. Square toe, chunky heel, all the buckles, those are $50 from Madden NYC. We have these little booties, brown suede look, square toe with the chunky heel, those are $40. So restocked these mules from Madden NYC. They added the grommets, the silver hardware, these are $38. They also have these footbed sandals from Madden NYC, double buckle, silver hardware, these are $32. Also have these new boots from Madden NYC. It's like a western suede style with the grommets, zipper on the inside, slouchy look. And I also have a mule loafer. These have the round toe, gold hardware, footbed bottom. These are $38 from Madden NYC. And the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.